So this is our last video that we're doing, just recapping on Dacing a Scuba and the bush dance. We're going to go over all the steps that we've learned over the last 2 workshops. We've put a lot into them, a lot into the last, what's it, about 35-40 minutes worth of of the workshop. So again, don't be hard on yourself, take your time with stuff. So Arís, den Cínte gohfuil scuba agah. What we're going to focus on here is we're going to recap and go over all the Caoimhe that we've learnt from the last 2 classes, and we're going to try them leis agus gan an ceol. Okay, so really quickly, I'll just brush over them as quickly as I can, because I'm doing an awful lot of talking. So the Ibrahim, Salbil, Tradoodle and Scoop, Door. We have this 8 times, and again, don't turn your back when you get to the top. Okay, we're going to go again. And we've looked Arís, go, tree, car, doing, shay, shock, all the time. Lovely. That's gawk, Caoimhe Ní. Then we have over the back, trasna, Arís, sol, hain. Trasna, Arís, sol, go. Over, back, number 3, and over and back, 4. Then we have our jump over. Now we're jumping again, feet glued together. Up on our toes, feet stay together, looking at the brush, and we're going to turn our body. Okay, so make sure we've all that, thinking of all that. We're going to jump over, lane, Michaela, sol, lane, Michaela, sol, lane, Michaela, sol, lane, Michaela, sol. Then we have 4 up the scoob, so that's if we're came over a cooing. We have 4 lane up the scoob, a hain, a do, a 3, a car, sol, and then we go back again. Make sure we're looking at the brush, up on our barakini. 1, 2, 3, 4, sol, very good. So that's from all of our first workshop there. Now, Carden Ivra Do workshop number 2, what we did was we had the crossover. Okay, so what we did here was, it's the foot, remember, that's not nearest the brush, it's the foot on the outside. So we trasna, lekeda, sol, trasna, lekeda, whatever foot you cross over, you start your heel stamp, heel stamp, over, back, heel stamp, and over, back, heel stamp. Okay, then we have Timper and Scuba Reach. We're going to go around for shay, sol, hain, go, tree, car, cooing, shay, sheet. Now for ever shocked, after a shay we go sheas, suas, sol, okay, brilliant. Now we're nearly at the end here, and we'll try it with the ceol. We have our shleini, so we're going up and back. So we shleini and mock, doesn't matter what hand or foot you use to slide out and slide back, out, together, sol, Arís, lekela, sol, bill, a mock, lekela, sol, bill, all kashir, lekela. Brilliant, okay? And just to finish up then, we have cosy sus in air. Feet up in the air, suas, molatu shias, sol, bill, sus, molatu shias, sol, bill, sus, molatu shias. Remember, whatever foot comes in the air, you do your sol, bill on that foot. Sus, molatu shias, masha verfad. Okay, so we're going to try all of that with the ceol. Okay, again, masha verfad, ana anawa. I'm going to try this just from the back this side, just so you can see. I'll do it at a slight little angle, just so tash fanan gachra the echo. So when we're 3 lashin girl, masha verfad, agus just Jane era, because I just want an effort. Agus tag a lower on, there's a lot in it, so don't be hard on yourself. Okay. So 8 steps, listen to the music first. Trust kick. So in Sean-Nós dancing, to finish off, we sometimes have a stamp or a kick. I like my kick. So in this case, my scoob was a mock kicked. Agus sí slash mar sin. Okay? Anna ar fad. So, tá síla gom gur bhain sibh tanmh as na rangin ar fad. I gave you an awful lot of steps over an awful lot of weeks. So tá síla gom gur bhain sibh tanmh us. Má tá ein ceist again, if anyone has any questions at all, or any queries about anything wrong in it, or even steps, just to clarify anything, tá má sunraí ar fad an seo. So you can find me on Facebook, Ceol is Cus. So the Ceol is kind of the music and foot, or music and dance. I'm also on Instagram, no show text. You can send a text all the time or email, whatever. There's a lot of ways you can contact me. So Arís gur míle mágah ar fad. Thank you so much for taking part in all of these dance workshops. Gur míle mágah le Ceol Connected and Tradoodle TV.